Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Firestick 4K that simply will not turn on. So what we want to do is go to the back of my TV and locate my Firestick. Alright, so I can see my Firestick right here, and I have a bunch of different HDMI slots. And I'm going to unplug the top two. And what I want to do is try a different HDMI port on my TV. So I'm in HDMI 3 right here. Let's go up to HDMI 1. And just try that on my TV. Now, if switching the HDMI port didn't work, what you could do is try removing this HDMI extender from the Firestick itself, and then plug it directly into the TV. Now, it may be a little bit tight on your TV, and you might have to remove some of the HDMI cables from here, but you could always try this extender in a different HDMI cable if it's a little bit difficult to arrange it around the Firestick. Now, another thing I want to do is check the connection to the Firestick from the USB cable. This one seems like it could easily pop out or fall out. So just connect it again after unplugging it and just make sure it's not loose. Now, another thing that you should be doing is plugging your Firestick directly into a power strip or to the wall outlet. If you have it plugged into the USB slot on your TV, this could be causing it to randomly shut off or even not power on, just because it's not drawing enough power. So use this power adapter and plug it directly into the wall outlet or one of these power strips. And if this power strip doesn't work, try a different one, because you might have too many devices in this power strip already, taking up all the power necessary to run your devices. So I'm going to plug it directly into the wall outlet. Now go to your TV and go on over to the inputs and find the correct HDMI input for your Firestick. So I have an Amazon Fire TV right here. I'm going to HDMI input number 3, where I last had my Firestick plugged in. And now it's going to switch over to that input. And here's my Firestick 4K in the background, and it's working. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.